Okay, I have to put this all the snowboard pieces together, and today we're going for snow kiting, which is very exciting. If you know what I mean, snow kiting, exciting. I hope you do. And yeah, winter finally came to Lithuania. We haven't had such a conditions for 2 years. Maybe last winter was terrible, but finally today in January some snow came by and the wind is blowing. So what else to say, we're gonna go to the meadow outside the city and try to snow kite over there. Looks really nice, good wind, sky is getting clear. I hope it's gonna be a fun session. Woo! Oh, snow kiting Lithuanian style. Let's go! Let's go! Alright, so the kite is ready. I'm gonna jump into the snowboarding boots and try to raise the kite up and see how it goes. Snow layer is not very fat, but I hope it's gonna work. Ooh, boy! Yeah, and I hope no angry farmer is gonna come and complain about this field being destroyed by us. Okay, let's go.
Is it just me staring in the mirror on the wall? All I can see is nothing more of nothing at all. Behind a grinning face, you know what I discovered? Avoid an empty space. Is it for real? The voice that I keep hearing loud and clear. Is it just me?
Oh, gracias, muchas gracias. Oi, kaip skanus? Nes kvapas viduj tai buvo, jau buvau sudajojęs vieną akimirką.
Tai aš nejaučiu kvapo.
Geriausi cepelinai Kaune. Nice. Labą dieną.
Labą dieną.
Važiuokit, aš klausiu.